I saw a video on TikTok where Matilda Djerf did a 5-minute makeup routine using products from Merit Beauty. I just recently received some PR from Merit Beauty where they gifted me a lot of the same products, and I thought it would be fun to recreate her makeup routine. Matilda Djerf tends to go lighter on the makeup products, have a more minimalist looking makeup routine, and then we'll do like a full bouncy blowout. So I thought it would be fun to kind of follow the same steps that she did in her makeup routine using the same products and see if we can get a somewhat similar look. So that's what I am going to be doing today. Okay, to state the obvious, Matilda has much better skin than I do. She doesn't really have as many blemishes, and her skin is always looking so glowy and plump. So I'm going to start by prepping my skin with the Biossance Squalane Vitamin C Rose Oil as like a first skincare prep step. I have the shade Bone. In her makeup routine video, she really just uses this to spot conceal, and just because I do have a lot more skin imperfections, I think I am going to start with a tinted moisturizer as a base and then do the same thing Matilda did and use this to spot conceal. I'm going to put my hair up while we're working directly on the face, and then this is the Rare Beauty Tinted Moisturizer. And if you're curious, I have the shade 10 Neutral 10N in this moisturizer. And now I'm gonna go in and spot conceal using the Merit Beauty foundation stick. If you're interested in any of these Merit Beauty products, they did send me an affiliate link where you can shop a commissionable link. If you wanna support my channel, zero pressure, but it will be in the description box. So I'm just going in and kind of covering the areas where I have dirt marks and imperfections. I'm gonna blend it out with the brush. Drag whatever's left on the brush up here. Next, she goes in with her blush. She uses the shade Beverly Hills. I also have the shade Terracotta. Because she is so much more bronzed than me, I'm kind of wondering if I do a little mixing and matching and almost like use this as a little bronze moment and then mix in the Beverly Hills, which is more of a pinky red color. I'm gonna start with Terracotta, and I'm almost gonna do it like tops of cheeks where you would be bronzed. And I'm gonna bring it up here too. Why not? Got a little bronze in, and now we will use the shade Beverly Hills, which she does on her cheeks and then also across the bridge of her nose. So we will do a little hint of that as well. And you can use the brush for these, but these also blend out with your fingers pretty easily. So then she goes in with their brow pomade in the shade Brown. I have the same one, so we're gonna go ahead and fluff up our brows. Next up, she takes the highlight stick. She used the shade Bounce. I have the shade Cava, and she focuses it right on the tip of her nose. So we are gonna do that as well. And then she also put some underneath her brow bone. Next up is the Merit Beauty Mascara. This gives you a very natural looking lash. And then to finish off her whole 5-minute makeup look, she goes in with the lip oil in the shade Au Naturel. I have the shade Pink Beat, which is actually pretty bright on me, which is not so much her vibe. She definitely goes for a more natural vibe. I also have one of their lightweight lipsticks in the shade Millennial. And so this shade is a bit more neutral or closer to my natural lip tone. So the formula of these signature lips are very lightweight, subtle. It's not a harsh line at all, so I think this will actually be kind of closer to Matilda's vibe rather than using a brighter, more pigmented lip oil. As you can see, the lipstick does have shine to it, so I feel like it kind of gives a glossy finish. So there we have it. This was Matilda Djerf's 5-minute makeup routine recreated using a lot of the same products. I will put the original TikTok that I saw below if I can still find the link. It was a sponsored ad with Merit Beauty and Matilda Djerf. But yeah, if you want to kind of like look and see how she did it, that will be down below as well. Please don't forget to hit thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and leave me a comment down below if you have any questions. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next time.